Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. Today is Monday. I am getting ready for work. Just like that, my hair is ready. My hair is ready. The work continues, okay? So now I'm about to study. What should I study today? Waiting for my tea so I can leave. Yesterday I had to run. I was leaving like in 10 minutes. So I had to stop the video. While I'm waiting on the bus, I'll start checking some of my cases at home and then I'll proceed to go after. It is 11. It's going to be a long day. Oh, I have few cases to complete. Okay, let's just get started. it is actually. Why? It's 6:31. I'm about to make myself coffee so I can start getting my makeup done while everybody's sleeping. I had to wake up early so I can start getting ready before everybody else. How are you doing?